4 to power 3 over 2. First, look at the denominator of your exponent is 2. Ask yourself question, what number raised to the second power is going to give me 4? Is 2. 2 to the second power is equal 4. And I have exponent 3 over 2. You're supposed to keep this exponent. Next, I have a fraction outside of the parentheses. That's why I'm going to convert the exponent inside of the parentheses also to fraction. Next, you have to multiply these fractions, okay? Now, so I have 2, let me just show you this. 2 over 1 times 3 over 2. Now remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we're supposed to check if we can reduce any denominator with any numerator first. I have 2 and 2. 2 is divisible by 2 and 2 is divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to cancel out these 2's. Okay, and I'm going to have 2 to power 3 over 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3, so that's why I have 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power is equal 8. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, you're supposed to look at the denominator of your exponent is 3. What number raised to the third power is going to give me 27? The answer is 3. Okay, 3 to the third power is equal 27. And I'm going to copy down the exponent, 2 over 3. Now, because I have fraction outside of the parentheses, I'm going to create fraction also inside of the parentheses. Remember, anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. But before you are going to perform the multiplication, you have to check if you can reduce any denominator with any numerator. I have 3 and 3. Both of them are going to cancel out. So I'm going to have 3 to power 2 over 1, which is equal 3 to the second power. 3 to the second power is equal 9. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have negative 32 raised to power 4 over 5. Okay, I ask myself question, what number raised to the fifth power is going to give me negative 32? Okay, minus 2. Raised to the fifth power is going to give me minus 32. Okay, I'm going to use brackets in order to see my problem better, and I'm going to copy down this exponent 4 over 5. Because I have fraction outside of the brackets, I'm going to also make fraction inside of the brackets. I have to multiply these two exponents according to the rule. Okay, but before I'm going to multiply, I'm going to reduce everything whatever is possible. 5 and 5 are going to cancel out each other. That's why I'm going to have negative 2 parentheses to power 4 over 1. 4 divided by 1 is equal 4. That's why I'm going to have negative 2 to the fourth power. Okay? Negative 2 to the fourth power is equal 16. Okay? And this is the solution to my problem.